another one don chele again, another one don happen again oh. Hey, una know our sister wey dem dey call Ekia Queen, aka Easy Ogbede. Another one don happen for her body again, wey be say she dey nyapoto dey nyapata for everywhere, dey open Kpekus for social media. According to her, e say na Kpekus na she carry come give una for social media, make she take dey entertain una. Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to una time. How una dey, my correct people? I beg, if you dey see this my channel for the first time, make you do me a favor. Hit that red button wey say subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Make you for the get audio correct ogbongelicious updates when I dey drop for this my channel. Also share my video out with your friends, with your loved one. Yes guys, I don come back again with another ogbonge gist wey dey happen for inside life. Una know how e dey be now. Na so I take dey drop am. I fian buy, I fian evil. So it's about our sister Easy Ogbede, aka Ekia Queen, while some people dey call am Ekia slave, as una know, of Ekia. So my people, now be this one when I carry come for here. So this our bros come out today, come give am a little advice for inside this video. He say the way we be say our sister to the nyapoto say e no like am. As una fit dey see am for here, so say she raise her two leg go up, she can open her wide and widerly. Now understand. So I go dey take una along as our brother cut advise am, come tell am say make he give her life to Christ, make she repent, make he not dey live that kind life wey dey live again. I believe make she give this our brother a listening ear, make he take our brother advice. My country people, oh yeah na, make we dey go there. Una know say as me now, they are proclaim the godmother. If we see am, we go carry am come on our table, we go come analyze am, and we go also give a little advice to the person. Why na? We are doing any more say we here mo, we here talk. You know, we here support the channel me na, we here live video me. Afiangbo saguwaro. So guys, so make we go there. According to this video now, where he did our brother, I say Ekia Queen say make, okay, our brother say Ekia Queen say make you repent, make you give your life to Christ. Okay my people, so I go still take una along to comment section. First of all, wetin they wonder me for this Ekia Queen body be say the time wey be say Ekia Queen get married, everybody come dey happy, including me and her. That day I even go carry my champagne for fridge, I bust am, I pour am for cup, I say I celebrate am. Wetin make us dey really dey celebrate, my Edo people? Una don ask una sef that question, because a lot of our presenters dey really come out that period come dey say congratulations to Ekia Queen, including myself wey dey talk so. I even wish her congratulations. Yes, I say a big congratulations to Easy Ogbede, because now she don marry. She don marry finally, we come dey happy. Now wetin make us come dey happy? Now I wan come let una know. A lot of una wey no know, wey just dey happy say no be to get married dem dey talk. Wetin this our sister dey really dey do for social media? According to her, say she carry her Kpekus come take entertain people for social media. As e come be say she get married, we come dey happy say this our sister finally e don get married, and she no go dey open anyapata again for inside media. But we come see am say after the marriage, no be so e come be. Even the thing come even worse sef. Na make me say I go chook hand or leg for this matter small. Make we talk am as e be. And another thing again, say she come even put to bed. We come also dey happy. Or where this life we dey talk am for our Benin Edo, where Asetigboho Ariyowa, according to wetin we know. We all know now as e dey be, as e dey be. This our sister say e get married. As e go be like that now, because they say as e dey be say man, if you advise woman say this thing wey you dey do, sister, e no good, stop am, my wife. Or the woman go come still tell the man say this thing wey you dey do, my wife I no like am. We can't believe say this man wey marry our sister, he go come advise our sister say make e stop to dey nyapoto for social media. We can't see am now say this man he no fit advise this our sister. Now be say na the woman na dey talk wetin dey reach for that house. I wanna see the matter, my country people. Make una comment down below. And another thing when I come let una know, wey all those commenters come still live for here for this comment section. Now make me say make I carry this matter come give una, my country people. Okay, make I dey show una. I don't know whether una go dey see am. I know say me na I no too sabi read o, but if akala bokwa akala anyane yakwa I'll still kwa as I still know and reach. Make I read down for una. Otiebe. Your children will grow up to see this, how you dey do all those things for social media. Now all those kind thing na be my topic where they always dey talk say people wey be say that they do this saga of a thing, they no remember tomorrow at all. They no dey look back and front at all. Say all the whole cause wey they cause people, their children go come grow come meet am tomorrow for social media, or all the whole things, anything wey be say that they do for social media, their pikin they go come grow come meet am for social media. Even though say na 10 years time, e go still dey there. Social media, it can remind you anything. Even if you say may you go delete am, people don already dey wey be say they don screenshot am keep, and they don download the video keep for future time. People can keep anything keepable. Which one? Well, una know, my country people. So make I continue to dey read this message wey dey here, this comment section for una. Thank us. Okay. No be this comment just now. Please, I want to advise the man, before you marry a girl, please watch her very well before you go marry a shower for house. Una dey see am, my people? I don't know whether una dey see am clearly o. He say before you go marry woman for house, brother, he say make you dey watch am. But I believe say this man wey marry this our sister, he don already know wetin this our sister dey do for media before he come marry am put for house. Because according to this very commenter for here now, he say please, I want to advise the man, before you marry, that you want advise all the men all over the world, before you marry a woman put for house, before you marry a girl, please watch her very well before you go marry a shower for house. Now this first commenter, this another commenter come down come say God bless you gradually, my brother, for the advice. Okay, because say may God have mercy. That is another person come comment down below. I get many things wey I want show now for here. Okay, another person come say thank you, my sister. Talk to this public dog, Ekia slave, the dirty public Kpekus, since she no dey shame of herself. I pray una dey see this. I go leave some for this video, make una for see am. Say wetin people drop for comment section. Una know say na so we dey do am for this my channel now. Okay, so another one come dey here. I dey shame for una Benin people. Una sense is affecting the good ones. He say nonsense what una dey do for social media. Some of una Edo people, he say e dey affect the good ones. Abeg my people, me una no vex. My baby, may I first go take care of am small, me no cry. Abeg my people, make una no vex. I don come back. Una know say if person get pikin na how e dey be. Even this video before I come make am just now, e no easy. It is well, my people. So yeah, make we continue to dey read the comments. So we get another comment sir for here. He say your children will grow up to see this. How do you want them to feel? Think and respect God and protect your children image. Yes. Now listen to this very comments wey dey for here. He say make she think, may respect herself and also respect the children. Because you know, una know say for this life, we ought to say our children just dey grow, dey small, well, they never know anything, but if they can't grow, can't meet all those things we call, e no really good though. All those comment section, all those commenters, they read, they leave good comments sometimes, because according to me and wetin me I still reason, na be this one o, because children will come grow, come meet all those kind things now, they no go like am at all. So we can't get another commenter for here wey say, bros, do not worry yourself, this one love money pass God. That is, they refer to Easy Ogbede, that is Ekia Queen. Say Ekia Queen love money pass God, say she no go change, she go still keep to dey do wetin she dey do because of money. Shey una see my people, this money wey everybody dey find, every one of us dey find, we no go carry am go heaven at all, because this money, you go touch am, you go leave am. We know say we need money to use, but make we dey use sense, my people, make we dey use sense, abeg, my country people. Because of you, or you wan entertain your viewers, make you for get more views, you come dey open your body, e no really good at all. We dey use am take dey disrespect our family and our own children and our own personality. E no really good. If you dey with me for this word wey I dey talk so, make you comment down below. E no good. Now understand, make we dey find this money small, abeg, make una share this video, whether e go still reach her hand, because a lot of people don already do video for this matter. This one na person mama o, mother of 2. See wetin she dey do for media. Una see am. This one wey be say na be the respect wey dey women body, we women. If everybody don see this thing, e don finish now. No man go respect you again. E no good. Shey una see am for here. Una see am. Amikebe, Omufua. Evil pictures wey worst pass all those ones. E evil dey. E no really good o, because commenter dey write, they even calling you public dog, Ekia slave, the dirty public Kpekus, since she no dey shame of herself. I dey shame for una Benin people. Una nonsense is affecting the good ones. Now see am, e no really good, my country people, because this our sister wey una still see for here, e come still advise am. This our sister, una see say 2 of them dey this picture, so e come still advise am say wetin she dey do for media no good, make she stop am. Because she dey talk say for inside this video say na her Kpekus na she carry come, e no concern anybody. My sister, e concern us o, because if we no love you, we no come, make we come advise you, make you stop all those things. People don already know you for the social media, for your platform. Anything wey you present, my sister Ekia Queen, Easy Ogbede, they go still watch you. They don already dey follow you, they go still watch you, my sister. Make you find another content, because a lot of people, no be everybody like wetin you dey do o. Why some they wan just come look your nyash or your the front bakasi, make they just still take gbekwa. You understand? Abeg, make you change your way. According to this our brother, repent. Why me want no phone now? Even me to be for ni me o. I'll still get where for they made mistake for my life. So nobody is perfect for this life where we dey. So I beg my sister, may you change your way, because all those things wey we call dey see so, e not really good for eye. E not good at all. E not good for eye to say the truth. Now see am. Now we are doing waga video na get do we ribu de pen even dori ene na. Abeg, may you change your way. Carry another content, may you dey do. Even one day when I see you and your husband say una come sit down, una come even dey talk some topic, I just like that kind one. If you with and they come out, even una dey do prank, it go still say for you now. You know me say you must come dey open body say now content wey you take start your live video, you go take end down. Obano, like me now, for my for this my channel, this my sweet mother gist tv or my sweet mother kitchen. Now before na kitchen oh, na cooking na I do before. If you do one thing you still change hand, e go still sell. Why not? Even some people now they do blogging, they go still dey do reaction, dey put, you still dey get your money, you still dey get your view. Anything wey you see take is better than all those ones wey be say you come dey open nyash for everybody. Respect not today, my sister. I'm telling you the truth and the fact. We love you so much. You too pretty. We go dey do all those things. You too fine. We go dey do all those things and do am the sake of your two beautiful kids. Wey God say bless you. Abeg, na beg, na I dey beg you. Abeg, if you never subscribe to this my channel, what are you waiting for? Niseva American Wawa ke subscribe ya YouTube channel me. And those of una wey dey page, make una like and follow my page. It's free of charge. Support your girl, support your sister. Wa support otiunwa iye domeni mosi. Mona subscribe. Also go subscribe for my YouTube channel. If you dey page, they watch my videos from page, go subscribe. Subscription is free to support your girl, support your sister. Like and share this video. May forget to a lot of people. Okay, guys. I love you all. Bye, guys.